Landing a job at Goldman Sachs might seem like scaling Everest, but with the right strategy, you can significantly increase your odds of reaching the summit. First, head to the Goldman Sachs Careers website and meticulously search for roles that align with your skills and experience. Tailor your resume and cover letter to match the specific requirements of each position, highlighting relevant achievements and quantifiable results. Next, actively participate in Goldman Sachs networking events, career fairs, and virtual information sessions. These opportunities allow you to connect with recruiters and current employees, gain valuable insights into the company culture, and make a lasting impression. Finally, prepare extensively for the interview process by practicing common behavioral and technical questions using the STAR method situation, task, action, result to structure your answers. Research Goldman Sachs' core values and recent news to demonstrate your genuine interest and understanding of the firm's objectives.